Well, the kudos actually go entirely to Bhatt Saab. I was very upset. I'm the hero. My face is being hidden.
Right.
It was a natural thing. I was 24. I said, if I'm taking this step, why am I being hidden? We had the trial at Dimple Theatre. The music was a huge roaring hit. I mean, Gulshan Ji had outdone, T-Series had outdone on the promotions and everything. My perception of working was different. Anu's perception of working was different. And I couldn't understand that. She would get to the sets and she would work, but it was not at 9 in the morning. Hi, I'm Rahul Roy and you're watching BollywoodHangama.com. Keep watching.
How do you remember that entire court bit? You and Anu Agarwal in court, because it's become synonymous with Aashiqui now. Even Aashiqui too, that is part of the entire thing. In fact, the part of the entire promotion is part of it. What exactly were you doing inside?
Well, the kudos actually go entirely to Bhatt Saab. I was very upset. I'm the hero. My face is being hidden.
Right.
It was a natural thing. I was 24. I said, if I'm taking this step, why am I being hidden? I didn't understand the game of promotion. I didn't understand. And those days, of course, whether you were a newcomer or whatever, the faces were being shown.
Okay.
He said, no, this is what we are going to do. And trust me, we were shooting in Ooty somewhere, and this raincoat was being carried around. And the still photographer just came, and Anu and I just went under the coat. As somewhere I had read, literally, I think 15-20 minutes we finished, because Mukesh ji was a hard taskmaster. You can't waste your time. This is all finished and done with, jaldi shoot karo. So it was just done. It was later on that we had photo sessions, and there were independent posters put of me, Deepak Tijori and Anu Agarwal. Those were smaller posters that were put much later on, once the trailers of the songs started coming on Doordarshan and things like that. Afterwards, when the faces were revealed in the songs. But the initial thing was obviously that. And none of us knew, that emblem or that image is going to be so stuck in people's mind. I never knew. And I'm telling you, even the day before the film was releasing, we had the trial at Dimple Theatre. The music was a huge roaring hit. I mean, Gulshan Ji had outdone, T-Series had outdone on the promotions and everything. The advance bookings were, we knew. I mean, those days, Wednesday se booking chalu hoti thi, those theatres used to be booked. We knew that the advance booking was so huge that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, not like today where 3 days we are very happy with. Those days, 5 days, we knew unanimously everywhere, the bookings were full. But we didn't know the reaction, what was going to be, for the film. Because the music was a huge hit. I remember asking Bhatt Saab and Gulshan Ji, what do you think is going to happen? Because as an actor now, I was scared. Is the audience going to like me or not? Because the one constant thing that was hammered to me whilst I was shooting for this particular film and otherwise was I was a complete outcast. I did not fit the mold in any form or manner of what was traditionally a Hindi film hero. I didn't have the hairstyle, I didn't dress like them, I didn't talk like them, nothing of the sort.
But the hairstyle became very, very famous after that.
Later on. But see, it was not something that any of us expected. And this is the foresight I say that Bhatt Saab had, that if I'm going to take a guy, it's going to be somebody who probably the youth of tomorrow are going to relate to, not what has been traditionally been accepted, He saw the future. That's why we say Vishesh Film, looks forward to working with newcomers and looks forward to giving new talent the opportunity, because they're trying to keep up with what the generation of today or tomorrow is going to be looking for.
Your chemistry with Anu Agarwal was appreciated big time, and the entire, there are so many memories, the way you were playing guitar and everything. It became like a rage, because it became part of the collective, I think, consciousness or memories of so many people. I still remember when I saw it at that point of time in theatre, whatever. It had a huge impact on all the youngsters and everyone else as well. And the way it was shot, I think, it was dreamy manner, the way Bhatt Saab shot it, the haziness and the entire romance element into it. Something about the chemistry with Anu Agarwal, because somewhere, did you guys, was something brewing in real life as well?
It's 23 years down, let me tell you.
Please give us some truth, in fact.
Well, the truth is, I had done a lot of shows with Anu, fashion shows. She's not at all a bad person, but when I decided or shifted the gears in my head that I'm going to act and I'm going to do the film, my perception of working was different. If I was told to get ready by so and so time and be ready on the sets, I was all geared and ready to go. But Anu's perception of working was different. And I couldn't understand that. She would get to the sets and she would work, but it was not at 9 in the morning. It was completely different. And that used to upset me. But having said all this, you could never take away one thing, that once you saw her on screen, that lost look, that innocence, you could forgive her for all the shenanigans that she pulled or she couldn't help pulling. That was just her way of preparing or just her way of working. And we were fortunate enough that whenever we used to shoot, because Bhatt Sahab used to allow us the privilege of quickly getting the film developed and see the rushes, so that we could feel motivated of how we look on screen, what needed to be done. That was the brilliance of that guy.
Great. Rahul, what are your future plans now? What are you doing next?
Rahul Roy Production is going to make an announcement as early as next month. I'm taking a film, a thriller, romantic film overseas, producing it, acting in it, or being one of the actors in it. And there's one more film, 2 films this year. So you'll see me pretty soon in the films again. That's why this new hair.
Yeah.
I've had it for 23 years, about time. Give in to the old and move on to the new. I don't nearly expect it to be a rage or anything. It's just like anybody else, but concentrate more on acting, and for a change, have people hopefully accept me and react hopefully more to my performances than just the hair.
Yes, fantastic in fact. Thank you very much, Rahul. Lovely to have you,
very
and all the best wishes for your future ventures. And we hope that let's see how the new Ashiti 2 does. And
Yes, God bless.
the old one, I think, still lives on, and I think it will continue to live on, in fact, for many more years.
I'm sure.
That's all the way from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.